Hi, welcome to today's post-market analysis, and let's see how the market behaved today and what are the possible trades and if any mistakes that I have done, I'll let you know what mistakes I committed. So we know yesterday was a like sideways to uptrend day, and though it is wide CPR, so it was slightly trending for Nifty yesterday. So today, people generally expect another bullish day, but considering another not so wide but average CPR, which indicates again a sideways to bullish day. But opening, you can see the first candle itself is a huge bullish candle here, and we cannot go long here and keep stop loss here. If we want to go, the stop loss is actually too big, and then take profit is immediately above that. You can see this is a supply zone. Earlier you can see bank nifty has crashed from this zone, so this is going to act as important resistance for intraday, so we should be cautious while taking a long position. So if not here, so the other possibility is like immediately or after some time when it actually reaches to this low, if it is forming a bullish candle anywhere in the day, so we should actually go for long. But you can see instead of making the bullish candle here, it made a bearish candle. So if it is coming at the same level retracing, so we can, if it is forming bullish candle, we can go long on a bullish candle like this, and then keep stop loss here, entry here, and then take profit here. So your risk reward will be 1:2, but that didn't happen. So if it breaks that important support here, so we should go in the opposite direction. That is the only, that is the other alternative that we can go, because there is a huge buying from this zone. But the problem is at this same point, right? If you see, this is around 11 p.m. Let me show you bank nifty. Okay, 11, at around 11 you can see bank nifty is almost touching the CPR, which can act as a big support. You see the size of it, it is huge. So it can reverse from here, or it can reverse from here, or it can reverse from here. All these three levels are going to act as a important support. So we should not go short actually on the nifty, though we got an opportunity there. So it becomes like a low probability trade. So instead we have to wait, and if you see after that, it was actually trying to break the yesterday's low. Let me, yesterday's high, sorry. Yesterday's, oh, my pen is not working. So yesterday's high it is trying to break, and then still at this point also, all this time bank nifty was staying inside the CPR. After consolidating for so much of time, it finally gave a breakout here, and then if you go short here and keep your stop loss here, your again risk reward is not good. So we cannot go short here. So only way that we can take the next trade is when it is forming a bullish candle at the CPR. So take the trade here, keep stop loss here or below the CPR, and this is your risk and this is your reward up to the point where it is actually taking support earlier. So it can at least go there or at least go here. Okay, so two possibilities. So first target should be here. So even if you consider anything, right, so after such a fall, generally VIX will be high. So when it is bouncing back, your VIX actually falls. So if you are in option selling, so premium will be decayed very immediately, and you will get a good premium. So that is, so this I have actually taken, but I have booked up to here only because that is the first target. But unfortunately after that it moved heavily, but it's fine, we got at least 1% here. here we got plus 1% almost, and then bank nifty we got minus 1%. So it's kind of break even day, no trade, no profit, no gain kind of a day. So if you see next in bank nifty, what are the possible trades? Sorry. So first candle is kind of neutral, so we can't go long or short, we can't do anything, and this is just exactly taking support at yesterday's high, and yesterday's high it's not a reversal day like this, so we cannot give much importance to this level. And yeah, considering yesterday, right, towards the end of the day there is a huge volume, and at last 1.5 hour, like from 2 p.m. you can see there is huge move. So what I have taken is, I have actually taken a long position here, thinking the market will be sideways like this, so we can aim from the theta decay. And that didn't happen actually, so market reversed and touched here. So I was waiting for reversal from here. So I already had a long position taken here. So market when moved up and then came to the same level. So when I saw the first bullish candle, which is taking say CPR support, and then it can reverse and go to day's high. So I have one position here, I have added one position here, and then I kept the stop loss below the central CPR, and then this stop loss is hit minus 0.5. And because I didn't take the complete position, because it can take support from here or from the middle CPR, so I have taken another position here, and then take profit up to again previous day high. Okay, so this has given almost like 0.5% or so, and then it reversed, and then here I lost another minus 0.5%, here I lost minus 0.5%, so which completes up to almost 1%, in fact 1.2% I lost. And then in bank nifty I got plus 1%. It's kind of almost 0.2 percentage loss for me today. So those are the possible trades. And bank nifty again, when it actually broken the CPR, we can go short here, but if you go short here, key stop loss here and take profit to next pivot or next support. So even if you consider this, it is like 1:1. And nifty is almost taking support at this point, we saw, right, at this point only we have taken the CPR reversal trade. So we can't take this short position, though it is tempting now after the market, but during live market it is impossible to take this trade. Another possible trade is, this, now we can enter here and then it rallied, but this is not as per my setup. So even if you go long here, this is the first target, and maximum is this. Again breaking the CPR and going up is, now we are seeing, and we understand that there is a huge bounce, but generally these kind of moves doesn't come, it is very less probability unless there is super strength in the market. So looking at all this price action, market, I think overall, right, it is staying sideways from very long time. I think it is going to consolidate, and this is needed especially after the huge rally last month. So I think it will remain sideways. So whatever the trades we see, right, I think these kind of days we should be expecting, and we should get used to these things. So those are the possible trades, and then we will now see the possible levels for tomorrow. And obviously the levels for tomorrow will be today's high, which is like a supply zone, and you can see these two are also supply zones. So market crashed from here, and market crashed, sorry, there is a crash from here as well. So we should mark this also. Sorry, we should mark this also as all-time high. Okay, and so another level is this today's low, which is a demand zone because it has bounced a lot from here. So basically, if you, I'm drawing two lines, but you should consider this as a one zone, and this top one as a single zone of resistance. So when it is coming here, you should be careful. Okay, other than that, if you see below, between these two levels, the market is very clean. I think it can move very nicely in this zone. So if market opens flat and it is taking support here at the CPR, based on the price action, maybe if it is coming here upon retracement, you can go short, or if it is gap up opening upon retracement, you can go long and take the profit here. So that should be planned for Monday. And coming to levels for Nifty, so this is going to act as a supply zone. Okay, this entire zone we think we should be considering as a resistance instead of seeing them individually. And then again this one, this is going to act as a demand zone. Okay, so these things I think we can remove. These things are no longer valid. So again here there is some nice zone available for the price to move. So I think any flat opening, we can take the CPR as a reference, and then if it is coming from top after gap up, or coming from bottom to CPR, we can go short here, we can go long here. So both directions, if it is touching CPR, I think we are lucky. So that is how I think we can trade on Monday, and these are the levels. Thank you for watching. Bye.